Do you want to be a recruiter? So here is what I have for you. A success map where you can learn these things and easily you can start looking for a recruiter job. So first, here is what is required for you to become a successful recruiter, all right? So first, you need to have a mindset, the mindset that can take you anywhere as a recruiter, meaning you need to have such a winning mindset and a person who can learn and get ready to hit this industry and getting more positivity, energy, and so on. So next you need to have the full clarity on what is recruiting. So definitely you can need to understand when the interviewer asks you, right, what is recruiting, what do you understand by this, and so on. Then because you would like to work on US IT recruiting, so you need to have experience on USA as a country, their culture, the people, and everything. Next, you need to have the time zones, right? As I told, the culture, the states, and the postal stuff, because you as a recruiter will be interacting with the candidates. Next, you need to understand the client and vendors. What is client? What is vendor? Types of clients, all right? What are the industries that the clients are in? Then types of vendors. What is vendor? And those information that you need to know. Then very important thing is hierarchy, meaning what is the hierarchy or the chains of command in client and what is the chains of command in recruiting company, where exactly you fall. So you need to understand the reporting structure. Then you go to understand roles. So in a software company, what could be the stages? What are the duties and responsibilities? And what are the skills that is available in the market, IT skills? Then you need to understand who is eligible to work there. What should be their work status to work in US? You got to understand the related terms. At the same time, you need to learn how to review documentations, all right? Then you need to understand the types of employment. Then it goes with types of tax terms, those are there. Then you need to understand what is a job, where it comes from, what is the life cycle of a job requirement. Then you need to understand the job requirement. Then you need to break the job requirement in order to identify the keywords, because with those keywords you can able to identify the candidates from the job portals, or you need to learn how to post jobs. Then you need to prepare search strings. What next? So you should have experience understanding working in job portals. What sort of working experience? You got to know how to post jobs, how to work on free portals. At the same time, you need to know how to search resumes and how to set search agents in your portals so that it will trigger the automatic emails when a matching candidate comes in. Then the most important is the email mastery, because it is not about how many candidates you get, but what you have done with the candidates that you got. So here you need to learn the art of texting and reaching people online via email or messaging. Okay. Then obviously you got to call the candidate. There you need to understand what are the ways that you need to call, start, you engage, and you close candidates. Then what you do after a closing? You need to present, how you present your job, how you present your candidate to the client, because that is where the interview happens. And plus you need to understand the follow-up process. What is a follow-up process? Follow-up process is nothing but it is a process that you need to adapt to be in touch with the candidate. So you need to have after submission, then after interview, and after offer. So you need to be in touch with the candidate in order to understand that this person is going to join your project. All right. Then ATS is applicant tracking system. This is software most of the company uses to track your work and overall recruiting stuff. That is how it works in. So you need to have some basic knowledge about how ATS works. Then another major thing that comes in came in this era is personal branding. So your online presence is very much important. So if you want to be a successful recruiter, focus on these stuff and you are definitely ready to start your career as a recruiter to just start with. All right. Hope it is helpful, and let me know if you are started looking for these and searching things on, or you can start with the book Nail the Deal. All right. It is a 6 steps blueprint to become the highly paid recruiter. Take care and God bless. This is Suman Pachigulla on a mission to impact 5 million lives. God bless.